So good day, folks. This is a nice Canadian winter day here, and we're December the 2nd. No, December the 2nd. And here's what we've got here is a common problem on GMC, where the starters are. And as you can see here, I'm going to try and show you. I don't know if I can get it in there properly or not, but yeah, here we go. Alrighty, there we go. So here we are, right here. So the wiring, because of the manifold, which is right up in here. I don't know if I can get this closer in here or not. I can see here. Well, we got the manifold that's right in here. You can see where my hand is, right? And it heats up the wiring going to the starter. Also, it heats up the starter and it melts the solenoid. So the solenoid becomes defective, and consequently it's a problem with the starter. So what we have to do here is repair the wiring, number one, so it's not in the heat zone anymore. And I'm going to do my repairs here, and I'll show you what I've done. As you can see, I'm taping up the exposed wiring right now, and the wire that's melted, I'm going to tape it up as well. And once I'm done with that, I will show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a heat shield that will actually work and deflect the heat from the manifold so the wiring doesn't melt. And hopefully I'll get it so that the starter is not going to melt either. So as you can see here what I've done, and I'm going to do another couple of runs on it, but I'll get this up closer here so you can get a good look at it. And it's just fun. I need to get a proper camera for this, but anyways, nonetheless. So as you can see here, I've fixed the wiring. I'm not fixed and not 100% yet, but I'm going to tape all this up so there's no exposed wires. Also, I'll show you this here, which is this. These wires here, back here, they're also down underneath here. I'll see if I can get under there and show you. When you see these wires right here, they're also exposed. They melted down against the exhaust manifold and they need to be repaired, which also causes, so consequently what happens here is the wiring goes to your 4x4 and it causes a delayed signal for your 4x4 as well as your transfer case, and it won't allow it to engage. Although there's a brand new solenoid on this one, it's been a problem for a while. I'm going to repair it now. This is my own personal truck, so I'm going to do a proper job on it. Nonetheless, when I'm getting close to there, I'll show you. I'll come back and I'll do step 2 and step 3 so that you have an understanding of what goes on here. Because a lot of times you take it into a shop, you're spending thousands and thousands of dollars, you don't get a proper results, you don't have the proper, end results are not proper. So let's go through it, and we'll go through it step by step. I'm going to finish fixing the wiring. I'll show you what I've done with it. Well, I'm going to pause this, and then I'll show you what I've done with it after. And we'll go from there. And also what it does is it delays your overdrive. There's a whole pile of issues because the ground straps melt and all kinds of nonsense. Very easy, simple fixes. Just takes time and energy. That's all. Petey Pablo, the mechanical sensation. I'll be back.